Welcome back, fam. Coach Nate here. Did you wake up feeling stiff? Or maybe your shoulders are tight? Or even your spine feels locked up? If that's a yes, this routine is designed specifically for you. In just 5 minutes, you're going to unlock your spine for better posture and flexibility, release deep-seated shoulder tension, wake up your body so you feel refreshed and ready to move. No equipment is needed for this routine, just you, some space, and your mat. Most people skip stretching, but not you. You're here, and that already puts you ahead. But did you know that tight shoulders can actually affect your lower back? Yeah, stick around, because I'll explain in a moment. Let's hit the mat. We're starting with one of the best stretches for spine and shoulder relief. Sit back on your heels, bring your big toes to touch, and spread your knees wide. Extend your arms forward, lowering your chest toward the floor. Relax your forehead on the mat, and take slow, deep breaths. Hold for 1 minute, allowing your spine and shoulders to release tension. Child's pose gently stretches the spine, hips, and shoulders, while calming the nervous system. Perfect for resetting your posture. But what if you can't sit back all the way? That could be a sign of hidden hip restrictions. We'll address that soon. Now that we've started opening up the back, let's add movement to loosen the entire spine. From here, let's wake up the spine with some gentle movement. A spinal mobility must-have that improves posture and flexibility. Start in a tabletop position, hands under shoulders, knees under hips. Inhale, arch your back, lift your chest, and look up. Cow pose. Exhale, round your spine, tuck your chin, and press through your hands. Cat pose. Flow between these two positions for 1 minute, a sinking breath with movement. Cat-cow mobilizes the entire spine, lubricates the joints, and improves flexibility, especially helpful after sleep. But what if one side of your back feels tighter than the other? I'll explain what that means in a second. If your lower back feels stiff here, don't ignore it. This could be an early sign of restricted mobility. Now that the spine is moving, let's target the upper back with a deep twist. Time to unlock the shoulders and upper spine. A powerful upper back and shoulder release that eases tension. From tabletop position, slide your right arm under your left arm. Lower your right shoulder and cheek to the mat. Keep your hips high and press gently into your left hand to deepen the twist. Hold for 30 seconds, then switch sides. This stretch increases shoulder mobility, relieves back tension, and improves spinal rotation. A must for better posture. But why does one side always feel tighter than the other? The answer might surprise you. If you feel a pinch in your shoulders, don't push too hard. Forcing it can actually make things worse. Now that we've opened the shoulders, let's finish with the chest expanding stretch. Time to bring it all together with a powerful chest opener. A must-do stretch to counteract tight chest muscles and poor posture. Start in a kneeling position, sitting on your heels. Interlace your fingers behind your back, straighten your arms, and lift your chest. Look slightly upward and breathe deeply, holding for 1 minute. This reverses slouching, improves posture, and helps with deeper breathing. But why do some people feel this stretch more in their arms than their chest? I'll break it down in just a second. If your shoulders feel uneven here, that's a sign of imbalance. Don't ignore it. But what's the biggest mistake people make after stretching? Don't miss this tip. If you want to achieve deeper flexibility, I've linked a free resource in the description and pinned it to the comments. You won't want to miss this. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session, and let's go.